Hello. To post an article that goes viral on Opera News in Nigeria, start by opening your Opera News app and tapping the create icon at the top right corner of your screen. If you cannot find it there, tap the me icon or the profile icon. Then you click on the right pane. Then click on it, then go to article. So first, before you type in or anything, first make sure you craft an attention-grabbing headline. Focus on trending Nigerian topics like celebrity news, political updates, or relatable daily life stories. So make the title curious, but keep it honest so it does not get rejected for clickbait. Secondly is make sure you add high quality photo that matches your headline, a very clear one. Dramatic images might drive clicks, but don't make sure you use gory pictures or misleading pictures to keep your account safe. So write your body text, keep your opening paragraph punchy to hook readers immediately. Break your text into short paragraphs using simple, engaging language, and aim for at least 300 words to improve your reach. Fourth thing is proofread your grammar originality. Opera News automatically rejects plagiarized content or articles copied directly from other sites. Finally, select the most relevant topic at the bottom and hit the submit button. So your draft will go for a brief review, and once approved, it goes live to millions of readers across Nigeria. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.